Can I cancel a payment I made on Rocket Money? Intro. Hey there, you've just made a payment using Rocket Money, and suddenly you realize you've made a mistake. Maybe you sent the money to the wrong account, or maybe you've overpaid. What do? Can you cancel the payment? Hook. Today, we're diving into that very question. Can you cancel a payment on Rocket Money? And if so, how do you do it? Understanding Rocket Money payments. Before we get into the cancellation process, let's quickly understand how Rocket Money payments work. Rocket Money is essentially a financial management tool that helps you track your income and expenses. One of its features is the ability to make payments to various vendors directly from the platform. Scenario 1, wrong account. Let's say you accidentally sent money to the wrong account. This is a common mistake, and thankfully, Rocket Money often offers a solution. Contact Rocket Money support. The first step is to reach out to Rocket Money's customer support team. They are your best bet in resolving this issue. Explain the situation clearly, providing as much detail as possible, such as the recipient's name or account number and the amount sent. Request a chargeback. In many cases, Rocket Money can initiate a chargeback, which is a process of reversing a transaction. This is typically done if there's a dispute between the sender and the recipient. However, the success of a chargeback depends on various factors, including the terms and conditions of your payment method and the specific circumstances of the transaction. Scenario 2, overpayment. If you've overpaid a vendor, the process is usually simpler. Contact the vendor directly. The most straightforward approach is to contact the vendor you overpaid. Explain the situation and request a refund. Most businesses are understanding and will process a refund promptly. Check Rocket Money's refund policy. Rocket Money may also have specific guidelines for overpayments. Review their terms of service to see if they offer any additional assistance. Scenario 3, other issues. There might be other reasons why you'd want to cancel a payment. For instance, you might have discovered a fraudulent transaction or simply changed your mind about the purchase. In these cases, the process might vary depending on the circumstances. Follow Rocket Money's guidelines. Always refer to Rocket Money's official guidelines or contact their support team for specific instructions. They can provide tailored advice based on your situation. Additional tips. Act quickly. The sooner you report the issue, the better your chances of resolving it. Gather evidence. Keep a record of your communication with Rocket Money and the vendor. This can be helpful if you need to escalate the matter. Check your payment method. If you made the payment using a credit card, you might also have the option to dispute the transaction with your card issuer. Conclusion. While it's generally not possible to cancel a payment immediately after it's been sent, Rocket Money often offers solutions for common issues like wrong accounts or overpayments. However, the specific process can vary depending on the circumstances. Call to action. If you've encountered a payment issue on Rocket Money, don't hesitate to reach out to their support team. They are there to assist you and find a resolution. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.